Close. Please close the door quietly. Run. He runs 5 miles every morning. Sell. He sells fruits at the market. Look. She looked out the window. Drive. She drove her car to work every day. Fall. She fell down the stairs. Cook. He cooked a delicious dinner for his family. Copy. She copied the document for her boss. Add. Please add more sugar to the coffee. Arrive. The train arrived on time. Come. She came to the meeting early. Call. He called his mother on her birthday. Set. He set the table for dinner. Stop. She stopped the car at the red light. Push. He pushed the cart down the aisle. Pull. They pulled the car. Practice. He practices the piano every day. Order. He ordered a pizza for dinner. Pay. She paid the bill at the restaurant. Paint. He painted the walls of his room. Hurry. He hurried to catch the bus. Kick. He kicked the ball into the goal. Improve. She improved her English skills over time. Hide. She hid herself under the table. Repair. He repaired the broken radio. Deliver. He delivered the package to the customer. Feed. He fed the dog its dinner. Choose. She chose the blue dress for the event. Break. She broke the vase accidentally. Apply. He applied for the job online. Bake. She baked a delicious cake. Admit. He admitted his mistake to his teacher.